Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install Epson L380 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, we need to identify what operating system do we have in our PC or laptop. So how we can find out, at the bottom search bar, type for info. Once you've typed that, please wait until a best match would appear in this window, and once the system information would be here under the best match, click on open to continue. So eventually window would bring up. All you need to do is you need to proceed with system type, and there you can find your operating system, which is in my case I have x64. So you might have x32 or x64. Once you have find it, close the window, navigate to the button search bar again, and this time please type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, click on the open option to continue and wait until you are being navigated to the Google Chrome itself. So you'll be able to see this one. We just have to wait until everything are set before we proceed. So please click on the search bar here and type for Epson L380 driver. Once you're done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So please proceed to the result. Okay, click on it. And eventually you'd be able to see a window like this. We just have to wait until everything are ready. Just have to scroll down and locate to the downloads. So click on the downloads and wait until a driver would be showing up here under it. So operating system, just have to select your operating system. Okay, we have this Windows 11 and click on the go to search it. So once it is being searched, you just have to scroll down once again and wait until it will be showing up here before we can download the application or the driver. So we can see the driver here. Please click on it and it will show you two results, which are printer driver and scanner driver. So if you would like to install the scanner driver for this one, you can click on this download option, okay, together with this printer driver. So click on this download option aligning to it. And if you will ask you to agree to the license agreement, click on accept so that you can now start to the installation. I mean downloading rather. So click on keep so that you can now start on the downloading progress. So we just have to keep on track on the progress so that we can see when we can now proceed. So we just have to wait until this would be completed. Okay. Once done, just click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. Once you're here, click on this cut icon, close the window, as well as this one, and at the desktop, please make a right click and go with this paste icon. Once you have pasted it, let's move on to the extraction of this file. So by that, please make a right click, scroll down, and go with the second to the last option. So we just have to wait until this would be ready, and once it is being set here, go with extract to. So in a few moments, it will now start in the extraction. We just have to wait until it will be finished. Okay, so once a file folder is being created here, please navigate to the start icon, make a right click, and go with the settings. Here at the settings, navigate to the left side. You can see there Bluetooth and devices next to system. And under here, please click on the devices to open up the devices settings. So we just have to scroll down and locate for this option called more devices and printer settings. So click on it. And eventually you'll be able to bring up this kind of window which contains the devices and printers. Just proceed to the top of that which is being placed at the left side, which is other printer. So click on it and go with this bottom. The printer that I want is enlisted. So from here, choose this one, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Choose your USB port. So it could be USB 001, 002 or 003. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Once you're good, click on next. Go with have disk, click on browse. From here, you just have to navigate to the desktop where our extracted file is being placed to. And all you need to do is you need to navigate here. Just have to double tap to it. Double tap once again. Double tap and it will show you the driver here. Just select any of this functions similarly. So click on open, click on OK, and it will show you the L380 series. Go with next, click on next, and it will now start in the installation. So we just have to wait until this would be finished. Your user account control would ask you to say yes. Simply proceed with yes so that you can continue to the installation. Once you're done, please allow for printer sharing. Click on next. And if you would like to set it as your default printer, you can check the box. In my case, I'm leaving it unchecked since I don't want to. Once you're done, there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Epson L380 series in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, close the window as well as this one and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.